Hi everyone, welcome to my Heartfelt Floristry School, where you will learn everything you need to know about growing and designing with flowers. Let me start by sharing my own floral journey with you. In my early 40s, I was living in London. I was studying architectural interiors, and while I was living there, I fell in love with flowers. I knew flowers had the power to change the way we feel, but I didn't know floristry could be a lifestyle, a way of living. After living 5 years in London, I had to move back to Mexico. I was already working a little bit with flowers. And when I moved back to Mexico, I realized I didn't have access to the flowers I was used to in London. So I decided to move to the countryside and start my own cut flower garden. In this garden, I grow mainly dahlias in the summer and ranunculus for spring. And growing my own flowers have really changed the way I feel, I see flowers, and of course my designs. In this Heartfelt Floristry School, I'm going to share with you everything I know about growing and designing with flowers. I'm very happy to welcome you to this Heartfelt Floristry School, where you will learn an approach to floristry. It's not a technique. Flowers will guide you. You will learn to listen to them. They will just let you know the right way for you to create beautiful, soft, romantic arrangements. I am sure you made the right decision to join this school. Welcome.